On his appointment. Earlier this year, the Constitutional Court had reserved judgment on an application to confirm two High Court orders which declared that Abrahams' appointment was indeed invalid. Now, some political analysts have called for the head of prosecutions to be appointed through a parliamentary process in order to avoid controversies which clouded appointments by former President Jacob Zuma. Our reporter Montlenyane Diphoko spoke to Political Analyst Professor Shadrack Gutto.
It is a matter that needs to be brought to its end, and it will end tomorrow. Where it will go is not clear, but Shaun Abrahams, I think his appointment was rather controversial. Controversial because of the alleged relations that he had with the then President Jacob Zuma. And therefore, in terms of selecting what cases to prosecute or not to prosecute, that lies with the National Director of Public Prosecutions. And I think it's a very important day tomorrow. We can comment on it after the judgment, but mind you, the office of the National Director of Public Prosecution has been under stress for the last 11 years or 12 years. And from that point of view, it is never stable, and it destroys people's confidence in the criminal justice system. The police are there to do their prevention of crime, investigation of crime, even though they don't do it well enough. But at least they should work together with the National Prosecuting Authority to be able to ensure that proper investigations are done, proper evidence is there to prove beyond reasonable doubt that somebody has committed an offense or has not. And if that is not working, people look to confidence in the justice system as a whole. And we are going through that period now, and it has to be brought to an end, and I hope that the Constitutional Court will look at all dimensions within it. The office, you have to be somebody who is fit and proper. You have to be somebody who is qualified. You have to be somebody who will see justice to be done, not only to be done, but to be seen to be done. Therefore, it's an office which requires a lot of integrity. And in my view, I think we need to look at Section 179 of the Constitution to see how National Director of Public Prosecution and the other directors in the various provinces are selected, whether it should be made the way that elections are done, or nominations and interviews are done for those who are sitting in Chapter 9 institutions of the country. It shouldn't just be left to the president alone.
Right, that's where we leave it.